So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with respondent.io. So I'm going to show you how you can create your respondent account, how you can verify your respondent professional Gmail account, and how you can verify your phone number. So all you just need to do is to watch this video. Just sit down and watch this video. The first thing you have to do is to click the first link below this video, and it's going to take you to respondent.io website like this. So it's going to take you to something like this, asking you to enter your first name, last name, email account, and accept the terms and conditions and click on create account. But let us go back to the homepage of respondent.io. So this is the official website, and when you type www.respondent.io.com, this is the website is going to show you directly, but you can use my link that will be in the description, and it's going to take you to the sign up page directly. So to join this program, the first thing you have to do is to click on the area where it said get started. But when you click on my own link, it's going to take you directly to the sign up page, which is this area, and you are going to follow up with that. But once you come here, it will show you two accounts that you can create. So these researchers are people who is publishing service that we can complete and get paid. And participants are you and me. This is the type of account we need to create. Why is it this account? Because this is how we can make money by doing research for other companies and get compensated. You can see participants. I want to earn money by participating in user research, which means we are going to complete service and get paid by doing that. To start is, once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page here. So once it brings you here, what you have to do is to enter your first name, last name, your email account, and you click on I agree, click on create account. It's going to take you to this next step. So what I need to do now is to fill up the information. I will enter my first name and last name and email account. So let me fill up this information. So once I have entered all my information, first name, last name, email account, accept the terms and conditions of respondent.io, I will click on create account. So I will click on create account now, and it's going to bring us to this page. So what you have to do now is to fill up all this information here. So what I need to do is to enter my password and my phone number and my date of birth at the bottom here. And for those of you who is having issue to enter your phone number, what you can do here is to click on this icon. If I just enter, let's say for example, I just type in random phone number here, it will not work. The first thing you have to do here is to click on this icon, either from your smartphone or from your computer. You are going to do the same thing. Just click on this icon here, and you are going to select the country code of that your country. This is the reason why you are not getting the code. Once you enter your phone number and you click on send code, they are going to send the code to another country phone number. That is why a lot of you are not getting the code. So what I need to do here now is to search for Nigeria. So I will just look for Nigeria in just a second. Let us say I want to use Nigeria country code. I will use this Nigeria country code, which is +234. Once I click on it, +234, then I will enter my Nigeria phone number here. Let us say this is my Nigeria phone number. I can just enter it here, and they are going to send me this code, and that is it. So once I enter this, I will click on send code, and they are going to send the code to me, and I will verify my phone number. So that is how you can verify your phone number if any one of you are having problems trying to verify your country phone number on this website, which is called respondent.io. So I'm going to fill up all this information that they are asking me here. So now that I have entered all my information that they are asking me here, all I need to do is to verify my phone number now. I will click on send verification code, and I'm waiting for them to send me the verification code, and I will check my phone now. If they have sent it, I just need to type in here. So now that I have typed in, you can see what is saying here, that my phone number have just been verified. So we are done with the verification of our phone number. The next thing we have to do now is to click at the bottom here, the part where it said continue. So once we click on continue, it's going to bring us to this page here. So all these are simple information that you need to fill in if you don't know how to do this. So they are asking you what is your gender. You have to choose that you are male or female, and the ethnic you can choose like black or Africa, America. I'll click on Africa, America here. And this area, you are going to choose the grade, the level of your education. You can just say some college. On this area where they said, what is your household income? Click on that and you can enter like 30,000 to 39,000. And you are going to click on continue here. And on this area, get matched with projects in your location. So what you have to do is to enter the city where you are. I will just put like, for example, Lyon, France, and I will click on continue here. And here they are going to ask you like which of the following category best describe your employment status. So click on it here and you can put like self-employed, or you are working in part-time, you know, you are in retirement. You can just choose what fits you. I will say employ full-time. And you scroll down here at the bottom here, they are going to ask you all those simple information. Please add up industry, click on that, and you are going to add in things that you feel like you know how to do, like things you have experience of. You can just click on the industries here, and you can click on capital marketing or anything that you want. So what is your level of seniority? Click on that. I will just click on director. And at the bottom here, what is the name of the company you work for? You can just come here. If you don't have any company, you can just put this website, my website name, like Getmcame is okay. They contact me, I will say yes, that you are working for me. This is one of my company, getmcame.com. And once you enter that, you just need to scroll down here, and here you are going to enter this information. They say, which of the following feed most closely match your job title? Click on that. So for me, this is what I choose. You can just type anything and it's going to pop things up, and you are going to choose any random thing here. But all these old things don't really matter. You know, all these old things don't really matter. So what you just have to do is to off this. I'm going to show you how you can set up your work email here. In few words, describe your role at work. I'll just type a simple thing here. So what I did here, where they said in few words, describe your role at work. So I am an artwork idea designer. So it's something very simple. Don't add in too much word. And just scroll down here. What is the size of your company? Click on it and you can enter from 1 to 10. And at the bottom here, if you have any skills, you can type in these skills that you have. You know, just search for anything that you feel like you know that you can do. Just enter the categories here. I want you to understand everything that I'm showing here is just for educational purpose. Do your own research and know what you have to use, because anything you enter here is what is going to make them to understand the type of things that you can do. So the next thing we have to do, we need to click on continue here. And here they are going to ask you for the paper email that you want to be using to receive your payment. This one, I'm just going to enter the paper email that I want to be using to receive my payment. So now that I have entered my paper email that I'm going to be using to receive my payment here, and I'm going to click on continue, and it's going to bring us to this page. So what it's telling us here is for us to accept the terms and conditions of this account that we are trying to create. So what you have to do is to review and read about these their terms of condition carefully. So it's very, very important that you go through them. So once you are okay with everything that they are saying here, you need to click on complete, and they are going to take you to this session. So you can skip this part, or you can just go through it, or you can say start tour, or you can click on skip. So what I can do for you is I will click on the part where it says start tour. And once you click on that, it's just going to show you kind of a review on this homepage here and everything. Then it's going to bring you here. You are going to select 3 things that you feel like you are going to be doing on this program. But these don't really matter. Just choose anything. For me, I will choose home and finance and social media. And you just need to choose 3 things and come down here and click on add topic. And that is all. The next thing we have to do now is to set up your profile properly. The next thing we have to do is to verify our email, upload a profile picture or profile photo, add in a LinkedIn profile, and you are going to add in a short video. This short video is not necessary. You don't need to add this, and you need to update your information. So the first thing we have to do now is to verify our email, which is our Gmail account. So I will click on this area where it said verify email. So once I click on that, they have sent us email on our Gmail account. So I'm going to go to my Gmail account to verify this our Respondent account. So now that we are on Respondent, you see this is the email that we received from Respondent. So what I need to do now is to click on it, and this is the email. I'm going to click on confirm. Thank you, your email account have been verified. For the work email, I'm going to show you how you can do this. We are going to do this later. So I'm just going to upload a random photo here. So let me upload one photo here. So the next thing we have to do here now is to upload our profile photo. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to take me directly to my computer. I'm going to select one photo from my computer. So now that we have uploaded, the next thing I have to do is to click on update to see what we have done. So you can see successfully updated your profile image. And as you can see, this is now my profile image. Then the next thing we have to do is to update our LinkedIn profile. So we have to click on it now, and it's going to bring us here. So what we need to do is to enter our LinkedIn profile. So I will just do this in just a second. So now that I have typed in my LinkedIn profile URL here, you can just go and create a free LinkedIn profile. It's very simple to create a LinkedIn account. Just enter it here, and once you have done with that, just come down here and click on save, and click on save again. So once you save anything on this website, which is called respondent.io, after 7 days that you have the right to change the information that you have entered on this website, which is called respondent.io. The next thing we have to do here now is to update our employment information. So how to enter this, what we have to do now is to click on this area where it said update employment information. Once I click on it, it's going to take us to this session here. So once it brings you here, what you have to do here now is to set up your employment profile. So you can come here and you can click on that you are working part-time. You know why I say you should choose that you are working part-time is because people want to employ people who don't want to give all their time to their full job. They want you to have time for what they are doing. It's better you choose part-time, or you can choose that you are self-employed. So it just depends on you. For me, I will choose self-employed here, self-employment and owner or /owner. So once you do this, it will give people who or companies the confidence to give you their project to do, because they know that you have time to do the project for them. So once you are selected self-employed here, for the industry and categories here, you can enter multiple ones. You can enter here, you can come here and click on all. You can click on all industry, or you can just select one particular industry that you know that you can work on. And you can scroll down here where it said company. You can enter my website name if you don't have any website, or you can enter your social media handle in this area. The employment company size, you can enter it here. So that is it for the employment size. You can enter 1 to 10 people. And at the bottom here where it said work email, how to enter your work email is what I'm going to show you at the end of this video. So just scroll down here, and you need to select your job title, which is what we have done, and job function, the function of that your job. You can do advertising, business development. I can click on business development, and you can put analysis, or the things that you know that you can do, or customer service, design, education. So it just depends on you. So you can just put in the things that you know that is suitable to what you can do. So once you are okay with what you have entered here, and the seniority level, which is what your position on that work, you can just click on the manager, director, but I will just choose manager or director for the purpose of this video. And at the bottom here, you need to describe, just tell them the role you are playing on your company. I am an artwork idea designer. So that is your role in this job. Okay. And at the bottom here, you need to select the type of income you are receiving. So you can do contracts, US, payroll, or you can do order. So it just depends on you. And once you have typed in or select what you feel like is okay for, everything that I'm showing here is optional. It's not by force. It's not it's compulsory that you need to set it. So it just depends on you. So once you are done with that, so once you have entered all those information, you can see this area where it said small business owner. You can say yes or no. So if I click on yes, it's going to stay as yes. So if you are a small business owner or not, you can say yes or no. So the next thing we are going to talk about now is how you can get your work email. You need to have this your work email because this is going to allow you to stand out more better than every other researcher on this website, which is called respondent.io. I don't know any other way that you can get this your work email, but to have access to this your work email, or to have this your work email, you need to have a website. So you can have this from a hosting provider. I have tried to look for other way you can get it for free, but I did not find any other way you can get your work email for free. So we are going to go to my hosting provider and we are going to create my own work email. So I'm going to go to my hosting provider here. So this is my hosting provider. Once you come to your hosting provider, click on hosting at the bottom. Just scroll down to the bottom and you'll find cPanel. Click on your cPanel. It's going to take you to this area. So it's going to take you to this home page here. And what you have to do is to click on emails, email account, this area where it says email account. Click on that and it's going to bring you here. You are going to see all the email that you have created here. But if you don't have any email account, you just need to create new one. So I will click on this area where it says create, and it's going to bring us here. Here you are going to select the domain that you have. As you can see, I have a lot of domain here. And here you are going to select the username of that your Gmail account. So I'm going to put Chris Nelson at Godspower.com. And here I'm going to type in a password. So I have typed in my password, and you just need to scroll down here and you need to click on this area where it said create. So once I click on create, you can see that it have just created our email account, and this is now our email account, which is Chris Nelson at Godspower.com. So to access it, all we just need to do is to click on check email. So once I click on check email, it's going to take us to this window here. And what it's doing is that it's telling us to choose the platform or the tool that we want to be using to access this our Gmail account. So what we need to do here now, we need to use this tool or this software, which is called roundcorb.com. So I'll click on open my inbox when I log in. So I'll click on open now, and it's going to be opening with roundcorb.com, and that is all. So I'll click on open and it's opening now. So this is now the my inbox. When you look at the top here, you will see that this is now my email here. So this one here, this is my email, which is Chris Nelson at Godspower.com. So I'm going to copy this my email and go back to respondent.io to verify our work email. So now that we come back to Respondent, what I need to do here now is to enter my email here. Click on that and I will enter it. So I just need to remove this area here because there's something that copy along with it. I copied along with it mistakenly. So now that I have entered this, click on that and click on enter. And it's going to pop this up telling you that this your email is going to be saved for 7 days. After 7 days is when you are going to come back to do some changes. So anytime you save things, you need to come back after 7 days to do any changes that you want to change. So I will click on save, and now that I've clicked on save, our work email have now been verified. So normally they used to ask you to verify the email. So you can see what it's saying here, verify work email. So I will click on that. It's telling us that we should go and check our inbox at the bottom here, that we will follow the instruction to verify our work email. So let us go back to our Roundcorb, which is this our website here. As you can see, we have received 2 emails here, and is this first one that we need to click on that. And as you can see here, it says, hi Chris, please confirm your work email address by clicking the link below. And I will click on it, and it's still letting us know that if we click here and it did not work, we should copy this link and go and paste it in the browser, and we will be able to verify our accounts. I'm just going to click here now where it said confirm email address. And now that I've clicked on it, it's going to take us to this window here. And let us see what is going to happen. Thank you. Congratulations, you have finally created your Respondent account. So for those of you who is trying to create your Respondent account, this is everything you need to do to have your Respondent account working for you. So for the video, if you want to like add a video, which is what I'm not recommending, you can add it to make your profile to be very, very strong. You can add in video. So if you want to do that, when I click on it, it's telling me to make a video with my webcam, which is what I'm not going to do now. So for you, if you want, you can do this on my own account. I did not do anything like adding my video, so all I just do is to fill up all the whole necessary information. That is how you can create your account. So I showed you how you can create your Respondent account, how you can verify your phone number, and how you can verify your work email account, and how you can verify your email account. So you know everything now. So all you just need to do is to go and use this website, which is called Respondent, to start making money online. So you have watched this video from the beginning to the end. I will say thank you for watching, and only what I will ask from you, leave me a comment about what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, only what I'm asking from you is to watch this video that will pop up right now. It's just for your own benefit. You will still learn how you can make money by promoting affiliate products. So I will see you on my next upcoming video.